Over here on Jordan's 66 Mustang, changing out leaf springs. I've already got the passenger side spring out. Everything came out really easy. Definitely a bonus of it being a California car. That shackle was real cute though. Just putting that out there. A little bent. Just a little bent. But other than that, smooth sailing, baby. Leaf springs done. Shocks, they're unbolted down here at the bottom. As you can see, it got the back seat out. Gonna get in there and unbolt the top of the rear shocks. And we get to assemble. Yay! Alright, so changing rear shocks is pretty easy on these Mustangs, except when they get old or worn out, they like to spin. Problem is, when you're working by yourself, you really don't have anybody to hold it for you. So what I do is I'll clamp them to the housing or a spring or something. Maybe put a little bend in the top here, because you know they're going in the trash anyway. And then you go in there with your impact and boom, done deal, baby. Alright, so Jordan's new shocks, he ordered them there from Scott Drake. They're the high performance Scott Drake gas charged. Not a bad piece. Not a bad piece at all. Scott Drake stuff, you gotta be case by case basis on it. Some of it's really nice, and some of it's just utter crap. The shocks though, they're very nice, and you know, they do have a good decent warranty and guarantee at Drake Automotive Group. But just for the record, meeting Scott Drake in person, what a prick. Alright, so our rear shocks are done. Show you underneath here. Bam. Done deal. Quick and easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Or whatever. Front shocks. Let me show you the magic trick. Always undo the upper mount first. Get them free. Get them completely off the upper mount. Undo your tire, jack up the car, and put the jack under the control arm. That way you can access both of these nuts. Easy. Undo those, pull them out, put in your new ones, slide them in, done. Front shocks, done. Easy. Also, got ourselves a leak somewhere on this radiator. When it's running, it's spraying and launching shit everywhere. We're gonna need to address this.